Good day everyone. Today I will present the Global Power City Index or GPCI. What is the Global Power City Index or GPCI? Developed by the Mori Memorial Foundation, Japan, measure the global power of cities based on the multiple criteria, aims to assess a city overall potential and influence on a global scale. 6 criteria used in GPCI. 1. Economy, business strength and market activity. 2. Research and development, innovation and academic capacity. 3. Cultural interaction, international exchange and culture appeal. 4. Livability, quality of life for resident. 5. Environment, sustainability and ecological efforts. 6. Accessibility, ease of movement and connectivity.
Key features of GPCI. 1. Goes beyond single aspect like finance or livability, looks at comprehensive city powers. Unlike other rankings that only focus on finance or livability, that GPCI gives a broader view of what makes a city globally powerful. To evaluate 44 of the world leading cities. It ranks 44 major cities around the world and evaluates them through 5 global actors: the manager, researcher, artists, visitors, and residents. And 3. Consider 5 global actors who represent city life and function: manager, researcher, artist, visitor, residents. These actors represent different ways people experience and shape a city. Purpose and importance. Reveals strengths and weaknesses of city and identifies areas for improvement and helps cities develop strategies to enhance global competitiveness. The GPCI is important because it shows the strengths and weaknesses of cities. It helps city leaders identify what areas need improvement and how they can make their city more competitive globally. The academic and global involvement, developed with input from Sir Peter Hall, a leading urban studies scholar, peer review by international experts from public and private sector, ensure credibility and academic rigor in city ranking. The project was developed with the help of Sir Peter Hall, one of the most respected urban scholars. It was also peer-reviewed by experts from around the world, making it reliable and academically credible. Conclusion: GPCI provides a comprehensive and balanced measurement of city power, helps understand global urban dynamics, a valuable tool for building sustainable and competitive global cities. In conclusion, the Global Power City Index is a comprehensive way to measure city powers. It helps us understand how cities grow and compete and contribute to the world overall. It's a valuable tool for building smarter and more sustainable and globally competitive cities. My reference and source: Mori Memorial Foundation, Japan. Global Power City Index GPCI official reports. The information presented here is based on reports from the Mori Memorial Foundation and official GPCI publications.